If you look down in the corner, you're going to see that I'm placing in the top 3 for multiple keywords. In this video, I'm going to show you how I ranked this video in under 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to rank a YouTube video in under 5 minutes. So make sure, stay tuned, it's not going to be long. Alright, before we get started, what I want to go over is a brief overview of the exact formula. I'm going to walk you through step by step, and then I'm going to pause the video as I'm doing the actions, and then come back and show you guys exactly what I'm doing and the exact process to make this as short and sweet and just packed full of information. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's jump right into the formula. All right, so step number 1, you're going to want to find your main keyword. Okay, you should have already figured out, what your video is. You should have already figured out what topic it is. Now you just want to find out your main keyword. For this example, I'm going to be using how to make money with Bitcoin. Okay, this is for a video that I'm currently ranking. So step number 1, now that we have found our main keyword, now if you look over here, step number 2 is to consolidate the related and most used keywords. Okay, I use a software called TubeBuddy. If you guys want to check out TubeBuddy, you can in the link in the description below. There'll be access to this software. But what we want to do is I want to search out the related searches and the most used tags, okay? Now I'm not picking every single tag. I'm only picking the tags that are related most to my main keyword topic, okay? Which is how to make money with Bitcoin. Okay, I've gone ahead and gathered all of the top related keywords to my main search term. There was about 30 of them, and now my main goal is to sort them by best to worst. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to TubeBuddy and I'm going to open up the Keyword Explorer. Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to grab my keywords and paste them into the Keyword Explorer. And then what I'm looking for, if you have the main version, you can look under unweighted, or if you can go to weighted, you can see how your channel will specifically score against this keyword. The only thing I really focus on though is how many numbers of videos are in the search results, right? I want to keep it under 1 million. I don't want any more than 1 million unless you're a channel with 5 to 10,000 subscribers and you can consistently get, a decent amount of views on your videos, okay? What you want to look for is, red is not the best, so this keyword is going to go to the bottom of the list, right? But it does have a low search score, so that is a bonus. It means we're probably going to rank for that keyword. Okay, normally what we look for is under 500,000 with a search volume in the orange to yellow. So let's go ahead and we'll search through all of these keywords. Now if you don't have the software for some reason, you can just take the top 25 to 30 keywords and just put them into your description. Okay, now that we have all of our medium to high volume, low keyword search terms all sorted in their proper order, what you want to do next is create your description. Now there's 2 ways to do this. You can do a site specific description, which means you're going to have the same description on most of your videos, right? The description isn't going to have as many keywords, but you're still going to have the keywords in the bottom section right here, which I find really helps for ranking. And the way I like to use my description is obviously to make more money. Okay, so I'm an affiliate marketer. If you're creating videos, you should be making money with your description as well, and that is what you should focus on, in my opinion, in your description. You should have all of your key trainings, all of your key tools, everything that you believe provides value to your market. Put that in your description, okay? Or you can go ahead and set up a keyword rich description where you take these keywords and you formulate a small paragraph or something like that in the description to make it further optimized, okay? If you were to below, where I put the keywords here or where I put the hashtags, if you were to write out a little description, that could increase the possibility that you're going to rank. But what I find is the keywords are already very easy to rank for using the formula that I'm showing. You can actually just copy this type of description, put your affiliate links in there so that you can make money, and still rank for videos, okay? So you want to have your keywords in this order, right? So you take them right from TubeBuddy with the comma, space. That way YouTube knows that they are separate keywords, okay? Every time you use the comma, YouTube knows that is the end of that keyword. So we leave it in that format so that when YouTube's bots go to look at it, they know exactly what keywords are together and what keywords are separate, okay? So that's why I keep it in that big chunk at the bottom. And then we have our affiliate disclaimer. You want to make sure that you have that in there as well. And then what I like to do is I take the main tag, right? I've been using all capitals to make it a little bit pop more. It seems to be working for me. That is something that you can test out as well, okay? And then you always want to make sure that you have 3 hashtags. And the cool thing with TubeBuddy is you can actually search the hashtags and see how popular they are, okay? So you set up your description. Next, what you want to do is create your thumbnail. So I use a software called Placeit. It has a bunch of templates that you can use. This is the one that I'm creating for this video. Very simple, very catchy. The main goal is to pique people's interest and get them to click. All you want to do, you want to keep it short. You want to say, hey, I want to earn cryptocurrency. Top 3. Okay, let's click this. I've never seen this before. Let's learn the top 3 ways that this person earns cryptocurrency. So that is, you want to keep it short and sweet. If you guys want templates, there's a link for Placeit in the description. Then once you've created your thumbnail, what you want to do is you want to post your video with end screens and your card. So you should have playlists focused around specific topics that your channel covers, and then you want to have a card. As you guys noticed in the start of this video, I said, hey, if you want to check this, you know, there'll be a card up above, okay? So you want to promote your card, and you want to have your end screens that you promote at the end of the videos as well. Next thing what you want to do is you want to find your video once it's been published, and you want to type in the keyword terms, right? So I want to type in how to make money on Coinbase. You want to scroll until you find your video. This might take a while sometimes, so I recommend doing 5 to 10 keywords, and with TubeBuddy it'll actually tell you what keywords you rank for, so you can use those keywords right off the back. And what you're going to do is if you search that keyword and you click your video and watch that video all the way through, what it's going to tell Google is it's going to say, hey Google, link this keyword with this video, right? This person from this keyword watched this video, and because it's brand new, your one view is going to count, right? Your one view is going to be an impactful view for your video. Once you get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 views, it's not really going to do anything, but right off the get-go, it's going to give you the ability to actually send that video out and get that video out for as many keywords as possible, okay? So if you guys want a little bit more in-depth video, if you guys want me to break it down, let me know in the comment section below. Say, hey Dylan, I want you to go more in-depth into this formula, and I'll do that for you guys. I just wanted to create a simple, quick video showing you guys how I create my videos, how I rank my videos, I should say, so that you guys can follow the same formula and hopefully it works for ranking your videos. Thank you for tuning in. Dylan DeFazio here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.